Hello and welcome back to Unman Show. So this is the render I submitted for the previous mythology challenge from CG Boost and I won the honorable mention. I am putting the link in the description of this page, and also I was so lucky to get reviewed my work from these experts. I am putting that link in the description too. So in this video I will explain how I created this render. First I went to the Sketchfab to grab some copyright free 3D scans for this scene. I started by downloading this one, which I used as a cliff. Then I grabbed some more 3D scans for creating terrain. Then I started by importing those scans. Then I just simply started by roughly placing those scans in front of camera. For my render, I used the character creator 3, but this way you can use the make human to create the character for your scene. Because character creator 3 is a paid software, but make human is a free software which you can use for this. Then you can import that into the Mixamo and get some pose model with the rig, which you can import inside Blender again. As I said, I have created this character inside character creator 3. So this one is I am roughly posing to get you an idea. Then I am simply creating a material which will blend it rock and the grass texture together on the base of its height. In the real render, I use the True Terrain add-on for textures. You can get it from the Texture Heaven or the CC0 textures. I am putting the link in the description. Then I added the geometry node and the normal node, which I will use in the mix shader as a mask. Then I use that same material over that cliff. Then I started creating the layout. Then I imported the character which I created inside character creator 3. Then I added the sunlight in the direction in front of statue so that it can create some drama in lighting. And also added a volume cube. Then I imported the temple city assets which I created in this series. I am putting the link in the description. These are those assets which I created in that 3-hour long series which I am gonna place over the city here. Then I followed that tutorial from the CG Boost and used all those techniques to enhance the scene. I have created an entire series on how to create plants and grass for beginners, so you can watch that and create your own, or you can use the free assets which are available on the Blender kit, and also the paid assets with the discount code. I am putting the link in the description. There is special discount for my subscribers from Blender kit. To add grass, first I started creating a weight map from the camera view so I can add the grass where I want to add. Then I added the grass from the Bagaba assets which I then used as a particle object. Then I have simply followed the same process on that cliff with using the trees from the Bagapa assets. Then I created some camera projected assets with low poly to add some life to the city. And after doing so much work, here is that final file with all those details added. Then that file became too heavy, so I divided them into separate layers. Then I exported them into separate layers and comped into Photoshop.